In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use Website Painter to create a simple layout for a 5-page website. When you first open Website Painter, you'll see a number of areas on your screen. Your Documents area shows you all of the current pages you have created in your website. Your Properties area allows you to change the properties or the way these different objects look. Your Toolset area allows you to add different objects to your page. And this here in the center will be your page, with tabs along the top showing you which pages you currently have open. By default, your first page is called Index. So I'm going to click on Index and change the name of that to Splash. And I'm going to type in the name of my topic. And my topic for my website is going to be all about exotic cars. So I'm just going to call it Splash Cars. So you'll notice the name changes in my Documents area, and my tab also changes. Now it's important that when you create extra pages, you rename them, but you make sure you keep the extension .html. That allows your browser to recognize these files as website files and will display them in the browser properly. So I now need to add 4 more pages because I've asked you to create a 5-page website. One page will be your splash page, which acts like your title of a book or a magazine cover. Not a lot of information, but something that's catchy, visually appealing, and it will draw you in to check out the site. My second page, so I'm going to click on Add Page, create an empty page, and I'm going to call this one again Index, because generally the index page is the page that has your center point of your website. And on this page I'm going to add my navigation bar. So now I've called it Index, and just for ease of my understanding here, I'm just going to type the word index on there, and I'm going to type the word splash on there. So this just allows me then to link these pages together, and I'll know exactly where it is I'm landing as I work through this website. So I've got my splash page, I've got my index page. I'm going to add another new blank page. And I'm going to call this one Cars 1 because this is going to be the first page of my site. Now you can call it whatever you want. I would certainly pick a name that reflects the topic and allows you to stay organized. I'm going to add 2 more pages, and again they're both empty pages. And this next one will be called Cars 2, and then the last one I'm going to, funny enough, call Cars 3. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 1 more page. And then we'll give it its name, Cars 3. And I'm just going to again write that on there to make my life easier. Okay, so there's step 1. I've now created my splash page. That will lead me to my index page. On my index page I will have my navigation menu, and it will allow me to navigate to 3 different pages within my site that will all hold various pieces of information. All right, step 1 done.